Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies down over 3% on growing U.S. recession fears. European Parliament Committee passes MiCA crypto framework in landslide vote. EU Commission seeks automated Ethereum DeFi monitoring. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf raises $17 million as it ramps up infrastructure build-out. Ethereum scaling tool Polygon launches its zkEVM public testnet. Crypto and payments firm MobileCoin launches Stablecoin. Ethereum adds 135,000 new addresses, marking the highest daily network growth in 2022. UAE Web3 ecosystem houses almost 1,500 active organizations. Portugal's new budget draft includes crypto income tax. Crypto services firm Luxor to offer derivatives for Bitcoin miners to hedge risk. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies on Tuesday witnessed a modest decline in the price as investors worldwide awaited this week's U.S. Federal Reserve meeting minutes and important inflation data. Market proponents have cautioned the possibility of recession in the near future since U.S. inflation data don't appear to be under control. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon shared his warnings about the US economy and the stock market in an interview with CNBC Monday at the JPM Techstars conference in London. Dimon cited a number of indicators that could push the US economy into recession, including runaway inflation, interest rates rising more than expected, the effects of quantitative easing, and the Russia-Ukraine war. Bitcoin was trading at $19,050, down 2.5%, while Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4.15%, trading at $1,277. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3.4% at 27,300 points. Policymakers with the European Parliament Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, or ECON, have approved the markets in crypto assets framework following the vote from the European Council. In an October 10 tweet, ECON member Stephen Berger confirmed the committee had accepted the MiCA legislation, a result of trilogue negotiations between the EU Council, the European Commission, and the European Parliament. Members of the Parliamentary Committee passed the crypto framework policy in a vote of 28 in favor and 1 against, with the final vote expected in a full European Parliament session soon. The MiCA proposal first introduced the European Commission in September 2020, which aims to create a consistent regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies among the 27 European Union member states. Following legal and linguistic checks, Parliament approving the latest version of the text and publication in the official EU journal, the crypto policies could go into effect starting in 2024. Last week, the European Commission issued a request for proposals to investigate the feasibility of monitoring decentralized finance through embedded supervision. The proposal, which comes from the Commission's Directorate General for Finance and Markets, seeks to investigate how financial regulators could regulate Ethereum, which it sees as the largest payment settlement platform for DeFi. The pilot program would last at least 6 months and is estimated to cost $242,500. Applications for participation are still being accepted until December 1. According to the Commission's document, the research will focus on automated supervisory data gathering directly from the blockchain to test the technological capabilities for supervisory monitoring of real-time DeFi activity. TeraWulf, for Bitcoin miner, raised $17 million in equity and debt. The company sold $9.5 million in common stock shares to existing investors in a non-brokered transaction and drew an additional $7.5 million from an existing $50 million loan closed in July. The loan, which closed in July, was intended to help TeraWulf finish the construction of its sites in New York and Pennsylvania. with the latter is nearing completion and is expected to begin mining this quarter. Lake Mariner's first 50 megawatt building was recently fully energized. The second is scheduled to go live by the end of the year. Polygon announced the launch of its zero-knowledge EVM public testnet on October 10th, describing it as the next step for Ethereum. Polygon is a scaling tool that uses the Ethereum blockchain as its base protocol to enable low-cost transactions. Polygon hopes to become Ethereum's primary scalable system with the introduction of zero-knowledge rollup technology. Polygon's latest technology will use the Ethereum virtual machine for its zk rollup, which means developers won't have to learn new programming languages and can easily migrate their smart contracts from Ethereum. MobileCoin, a cryptocurrency and payments firm focused on privacy, has launched a stablecoin called Electronic Dollars in collaboration with stablecoin platform Reserve EUSD. According to the company, EUSD is fully collateralized and is specifically designed to protect users' private transactional data. EUSD is backed by a basket of other stablecoins, including USD Coin, Pax Dollar, and True USD TUSD, according to MobileCoin. End-to-end zero-knowledge encryption is used to encrypt each transaction. In other words, thanks to encryption that employs zero-knowledge proofs, only the transacting parties can see their own transactional data. On October 8, Ethereum experienced a surge in new addresses, with 135,780 new ETH addresses added to the network, the most since December 7, 2021. The platform reports 11.1% higher network growth than the previous highest of 2022 on January 3 and the highest since December 7, 2021. A rise in the number of unique addresses transferring Ethereum for the first time indicates that Ethereum may be gaining traction in the market, regaining its footing after suffering significant losses as a result of the selling pressure caused by the merge. A recent research report published by the Web3 platform CryptoVoices ecosystem highlighted the UAE's dominance in the Web3 economy, identifying over 1,450 active Web3 organizations employing nearly 7,000 people. The report divided Web3-based projects into two categories: native and non-native blockchain projects. Native blockchain projects are those solely based on native decentralized technology. Currently, there are 950 organizations working towards this, while 500 organizations fall under the non-native category. According to the report, the Dubai Multi-Commodities Center has registered over 460 native organizations, accounting for more than half of all native blockchain organizations in Dubai. The government of Portugal proposed a 28% income tax on cryptocurrencies in its 2023 budget draft released on Monday. The tax would apply only to cryptocurrencies owned for less than a year, with gains from crypto held for longer than that period of time still exempt. Free crypto transactions would also be taxed, and a 4% rate would apply to commissions charged by intermediaries. The budget is still subject to discussions and approval within the parliament in the coming weeks. Given that the ruling party has an absolute majority, it has the power to single-handedly see it through. Crypto software and services company Luxor is launching a new product for investors and companies to lock in profits using Bitcoin mining derivatives. According to a statement, the product Luxor Hash Price NDF will be traded over the counter and will be the first of its kind. The financial instrument will be based on hash price, a term coined by Luxor that refers to the Bitcoin mining revenue miners earn per unit of hash rate or computer power over a specific time period. The product contracts will settle in US dollars, with Luxor giving buyers and sellers of derivatives the option to reconcile them in Bitcoin or US dollar equivalents. Luxor will streamline the order matching and settlement process while making contract durations flexible to meet the needs of customers. Well, that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off, and for more such updates, do like, subscribe and share to 3.0 TV.